Okay, now we're going to find the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is a little bit harder to find on a problem. But once again, the first thing we probably need to do is we have this right here. We want to find the length of side C of this skateboard ramp. It's 4 feet high, and we have an 18.4 degree angle. Make sure your calculator is in degree mode. But let's label our sides. It's the opposite. There's the hypotenuse, and there's the adjacent. Which sides am I given values are, and what do I want to find? I'm given a value for opposite, and I need to find the hypotenuse. Well, the easiest way to do this is, what is opposite over hypotenuse? It is sine. And I know theta is what? 18.4. So basically, I know the opposite is 4, and this is C. Now, there's a problem with this. You can't solve a problem when C is in the denominator. But if I multiply this by C, C's would cancel out and put the C over here. And then I would divide everything by the sine of 18.4. Or I could just kind of switch them up, trade places with them. Kind of a little stony shortcut there. But I cannot solve a variable if the variable is in the denominator. It has to be in the numerator or by itself. So now I can take 4 and simply divide it by the sine of 18.4. So go to your calculator, make sure it's in degree mode, hit sine 18.4, enter, and I get 0.3156. So I'm going to take 4 and divide it by 0.3156, and that angle right there is 12.7 feet. That's how long that ramp would be for a 4 foot high ramp at 18.4 degrees. That is the key there. Notice the key for all these problems is labeling the things you know and figuring out which trig function is the one that we need to use to find these particular problems.